Okay, so today I'm going to be telling you how to use any of these soaps to get a very good complexion. Whether nano white soap, any Kojic soap, any of this Kojic Thailand soap or Philippine soap. A lot of people have used this soap, so a lot of people have gotten results, and a lot of people have not gotten results. So I am going to be telling you in this video how to use this particular product to get a very good result on your skin. Now, first of all, these products are different. You see these soaps, they are different. There are some that are suitable for people with dry skin, and there are some that are not suitable for people with dry skin. There are some that are suitable for people with sensitive skin, and there are some that are not suitable for people with sensitive skin. To give you an example, you see this one here, this nano white here. This is suitable for people with dry skin. If you have a dry skin, you can use this nano kojic super white soap. If you have oily skin, you can use this particular one. Okay, so these soaps are very different and they contain different ingredients. In as much as they seem to look similar, they are not the same. They have different ingredients list. They work differently on the skin, and they seemingly give different results. And they work. Some work faster, some work slower. But basically, anyone you are using, if you don't use it well, you are not going to see results. Do you understand? Now, basically, I recommend these soaps for people that want to lighten up their skin, for people that want to brighten up their skin, for people that have dark spots on their body, for people that have general body pigmentation, uneven skin tone. You want to brighten up, lighten up your skin. You can use these soaps. Even as a caramel skin person, you can use this soap. Do you understand? A lot of caramel skin people think that these soaps are bleaching soaps and all of that. And a lot of people, even some creators, say, oh, if you're using this soap, you are bleaching. That is not true. Okay, you are using this soap to help to depigment your skin. You are using this soap to exfoliate your skin, because these soaps also have exfoliating ingredients in them. Some have glycolic acid, some have lactic acid, some have salicylic acid. Like these two I have here, one has salicylic acid, one has glycolic acid. So these things are exfoliating, depigmenting soaps. Do you understand? Now, the reason why I'm making this video is for those of you that have been using these soaps, yet you are not seeing results. A lot of people that have come for my one-on-one skin consultation, that is one thing I noticed. People that have been using this soap and they're not seeing results. It is that you buy this soap and then you start spacing it out. Do you understand? You buy these soaps and you start spacing it out. Now, if you are somebody that has general body pigmentation, that is, you are darker than you used to be. You are a fair person, you are a light caramel skin person, but you now notice that, hey, you are not getting darker, or your skin is now looking darker. Then you go and buy this soap for the purpose of getting back your skin complexion. If you buy it and start spacing it out and start using it 3 times a week, 2 times a week, it will take you generations. You are going to give birth to your great grandchildren and great grandchildren, and this soap has not worked for you. Do you understand? In as much as it is harsh, it is not also harsh. That is why I said you need to know the one that is for your skin type, and you can leave your skin type in the comment section. So I'm going to tell you the one actually that you should be going for. But yes, how to use it is what we are talking about. Now, if you buy these soaps, start using it every day. Use it every day. These are soaps you can use every single day. Okay, you can use it every day at night. All right. Now, if you're even someone that is you have your sun protection in check, like you're someone that you don't go out like that, or even when you want to go out, you don't enter the sun, you can use this soap morning and night. I personally use this soap morning and night. Do you understand? I use it morning and night, and honestly, in like 2 weeks, my skin really improved. The complexion of my skin. See, I think this was happening last 2 weeks, last 3 weeks. I used this soap every single day, morning and night. And in 2 weeks, my skin improved. The complexion of my skin was glowing. Even all of you here, everybody was, telling me your skin, what are you using? It is Kojic soap. I used it, but now I've stopped it. And if you look at my complexion, you see that it has gone down. And that is because I didn't want that excess lightening on my skin. But this is just to show you, I used it like that to actually prove it. But I wanted to be sure. These people that are using this soap and they are not seeing results, what is actually the problem? Do you understand? So I purposely used it morning and night to actually see, okay, will anything happen? Nothing happened to my skin. My skin was okay. I'm going to tell you where you get it wrong. So if you have watched this far, thank you for watching. Please like the video, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. I also have a one-on-one skincare consultation. If you want to talk to me personally, you want me to help you with your skincare products, you want me to help you to arrange your routine, or prescribe something that is going to work for you based on your skin type, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Now, using this soap every day is not bad when you want to brighten up your skin. Where the problem is as your skin has now lightened up, you now still continue using it the way you have been using it. That is where the problem lies. So let's take, for example, me now that I used it morning and night for 2 weeks, and my skin was now very, shiny, and everybody was complimenting me. And then I get carried away with those compliments, and I want to keep having those compliments. And then I continue using this product like that morning and night for like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Do you know what will happen? It will get to a time my skin is going to get over exfoliated, and then it is going to start looking dull. So for a lot of you that have dull skin, dry skin, it is because you are over exfoliating your skin. Know when to stop, know when to put full stop, know when to put comma. Do you understand? So what I did now, I did not put full stop. No, I just put comma to be continued. So right now, I am not using this thing on my skin. I use it like rarely. After using my shower gel, I just take it on my hands and rub it on my skin and just rinse it out. That is how that is how I use it now. And I don't do that every day. Neither do I do it morning and night. So these are the things you need to know. Do you understand? These are the things you need to know when it comes to using soaps like this. If you buy it newly, use it every day. In fact, if you can use it morning and night, use it morning and night. But by the time you get results, please discontinue using morning and night and discontinue using daily. You can now start spacing it out. Start spacing out when you have gotten results. Now, another place where and some other people still get it twisted is stopping it totally. Do you understand? You don't need to stop it totally. These things are things that are supposed to be in your routine. So it is something you are supposed to have. Just like because you applied your body lotion and then your skin is moisturized today, you will now throw away your body lotion and say, "Oh, my skin is moisturized. I will no longer need moisturization." No, it is continuous. These are things you have. You moisturize every day. You use your oils every day or every other day. That is how you need these soaps to maintain your complexion. As a fair person, as a light caramel skin person. Now, it is not everybody that needs this thing. There are some people that have been blessed with very good skin. If you are part of those people that have been blessed with very good skin, then no matter what you do, your complexion is palm. No matter what you do, your skin texture is palm. If you are those people, please, this video is not for you. This video are for people that struggle with their skin. There are a lot of people that struggle with their skin, and there's still a lot of people that don't need to go through all of this. They have very good skin. Okay, if you are in that category, you don't need all of this. But yeah, if you're in the category I'm talking about, then you should put this into consideration. So I have told you how to use these things. This is how to use it to get a very good result and to keep using it. You don't keep using it forever. Okay, you know when to stop, you know when to take a break. There are sometimes a whole month I don't use any Kojic soap, both on my face and on my body. I give my skin space. I don't use it, and I don't go dark. I don't, nothing happens to my complexion because I have my body lotion, I have my shower gel, and I have other things supplementing for me, but that are not so exfoliating and so brightening like these particular soaps here. Do you understand? So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, yeah, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.